Hi there, I'm Carrie, and today we're in the kitchen testing out some gadgets. Today, it's all about avocado tools. We have the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. This slicer costs $9.99 on Amazon, and it has 4.5 out of 5 stars, and it's been reviewed over 5,000 times. It slices, removes the seed, and scoops and slices. This is the Doltala 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer tool. This tool is described as a splitter, pitter, and cutter. It costs $7.99 on Amazon, and it has almost 200 reviews and a 4 out of 5 star rating. It functions the same way as the OXO one. Slices, removes the seed, and scoops and slices. And our final tool is an avocado cuber by Avado. This tool says it dice and cubes avocados with ease. It is $9.99 on Amazon and has a 4 out of 5 star rating with 50 reviews. Up first, we need an avocado. We're trying the OXO 3-in-1 tool first. It easily pierces the skin and cuts all along the avocado. So first we cut the avocado in half. Okay, it worked well. Up next, seed removal. There are 3 metal pieces in here, which should grab our seed and twist. Not quite. Let's try that again. Put it right on there, twist, and there we go. The seed is out. You need to use quite a bit of force to jab that in there so that the metal pieces stick into the seed. Things are getting serious now. We're about to scoop out the yummy insides. So usually I use a big spoon to scoop out the avocado. This is turning it into mush. Now this avocado is not overly ripe. It's actually fairly firm. Let's go in from the other side. It definitely scrapes all the avocado out of there, but you don't have nice thin slices. Just gonna kind of scrape it on there. Now this avocado seems very stringy. Okay, this is just getting straight up messy. Use fingers to push that through. Okay, not the best performance. Let's try the other half. So this is a perfectly ripe avocado. And here we go. Okay, scoop, 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 slice, slice, slice. Getting messy, 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 and okay. Not quite working. Maybe my technique is bad. In any case, I'm making guacamole tonight, and this mashed up avocado will be delicious. It didn't totally clean it out either. So great for cutting, good for getting the seed out, but not so hot at scraping it out and slicing it at the same time. Will we have more luck with this one? Now the Dotala, if I'm saying that correctly, has a smaller knife, a different type of seed remover. It doesn't have these kind of metal prongs to get into the seed and remove it. And it's more of a half circle or half oval as opposed to a complete oval on the OXO. Let's see if it works. Oh, that actually slices through really easily. So these, oops. That's just me being clumsy. So these 2 avocados are very similar in ripeness. And let's open this up and have a look. Ooh, okay. So maybe this one is a tad less ripe than the last one because it's sticking to the seed a little bit. Speaking of the seed, okay, not sure. Which side? Doesn't matter. I don't know. So this has little teeth on it. Hey, that worked a lot better than the OXO one. Got it in the first try. I just tasted the avocado and it's the perfect ripeness. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Guys, we have some slicing going on. Look at that, we have slices. The little end parts, you can use a knife or a fork or your fingers like me, but it works. We have slices in there. Let's try this half. So I'm always starting with the larger end. Oh, now this one was a little mushy from the seed removal, but it did kind of almost make slices in there. Again, removing the slices from the tool is a bit of a chore. So both of these did an excellent job cutting. They were both good at removing the seed. You just need to use a little more force with this one. And this one definitely sliced better than the OXO one. Excuse the avocado on here. This one is wider than the OXO one and has wider spaces. Maybe that made it more successful. I don't know. I would say this is still a solid B, and this is an A- tool. I'll link both below if you're interested in checking them out. And up next, we're gonna start cubing. Okay, we'll use one of our handy dandy tools. You know, I do think that this OXO, now that I'm using it again, cuts through the peel a bit easier than the other one. All right, here we go. And now we take our cuber. Just press it right in there to make cubes. Okay, we're definitely... Sorry about that, guys. Slippery avocado hands. I only lost one chunk. I'm gonna keep pressing. Press along the edges here. And let's see what we have going on. I'll press it on the cutting board. Push firmly all around. And let's see what we have here. Okay, it removed most of the avocado. And we do in fact have some chunks here. Not too bad. Let's use my favorite seed remover. Oh, now it's not working so well. Let's try it again. Oh, okay. It does seem to work better on one side. Interesting. And now let's make some cubes. Okay, pretty good here. Gonna give it a final smash to just make sure I get as much avocado out as I can. Okay, let's remove the peel. Not quite as clean as the first one. Probably user error. Let's give it a little tap. Come on out, little piece, come on. We want all of you for guacamole tonight. Okay, here we go. It looks like we made some pretty decent chunks. So overall, I think this does do what it's supposed to do. You do need to use a little force to press it down and get all the avocado out, but it's a pretty handy tool. Do these get a big thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up. Overall, first place winner is the Dotala, because not only did it cut, it removed the seed easily, and for the most part, sliced the avocado as it was removing it. Second place goes to our cuber, and our third place, and still a pretty decent tool, is our OXO. And now it's time for me to make some guacamole for dinner tonight. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.